everyone, welcome to Nathan Health and Fitness. Today we'll be talking about push-ups, an amazing workout that targets your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you haven't checked out our previous videos yet, make sure to visit the channel and watch them. Now let's dive straight into the video. Push-ups are a powerhouse of a workout, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. But the question that always pops up is, how many push-ups should I be doing to build muscle? It seems simple, but the answer is more complex than you might think. Today, we're not just talking numbers. We're exploring the science behind muscle growth, the importance of variations, and how to tailor your push-up routine to your fitness goals. Let's dive in. Push-ups are accessible and effective, whether at the gym or at home. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps while also engaging your core, legs, and back, making them efficient for strength and endurance. Proper form is crucial. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. As you lower yourself, keep your body straight, engaging your core and your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Breathe in as you go down and exhale as you push back up. Push-up variations like incline, decline, and diamond push-ups target different muscle groups. Incline focuses on the lower chest, decline on the upper chest, and diamond push-ups emphasize the triceps. A study published in PLOS1 highlights how variations in push-ups activate muscles differently, proving their versatility for balanced growth. Muscle hypertrophy, or muscle growth, occurs when you challenge muscles beyond their capacity, causing micro-tears in the fibers. During recovery, these fibers repair and grow back stronger. Push-ups stimulate hypertrophy in the chest, shoulders, and triceps when done consistently and correctly. Progressive overload is key. Gradually increase reps, intensity, or add weights over time. A study in the International Journal of Sports Medicine shows that progressive overload significantly influences muscle mass and strength. With push-ups, increase reps, try tougher variations, or use a weighted vest to challenge your muscles. Remember, growth happens during rest, so prioritize nutrition and recovery. A protein-rich diet is essential for repairing and building muscle. The number of push-ups depends on your fitness level. First of all, for beginners, start with 5 to 10 push-ups per set, focusing on proper form. Do 3 sets 3 times a week, gradually increasing reps or difficulty. Second, for intermediate, do 4 sets of 12 to 15 standard push-ups, adding variations like decline or diamond push-ups. For advanced, try weighted push-ups, one-arm push-ups, or handstand push-ups for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Adjust based on your progress, focusing on form and recovery. To maximize results, combine push-ups with lower body exercises like squats and lunges, and core exercises like planks. Cardio like running or cycling improves stamina, boosting overall workout effectiveness. Nutrition is key. A diet rich in protein from lean meats, fish, or plant-based sources like lentils supports recovery and growth. Studies highlight the importance of protein in optimizing muscle performance and repair. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that builds strength, endurance, and muscle definition. By mastering form, adding variations, and applying progressive overload, you can achieve your fitness goals. Combine this with balanced nutrition and recovery for maximum results. Start where you are and push your limits. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell icon so you stay updated with all our latest tips and guides on health and fitness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay fit.